Hey, what's up, guys? So we got our monthly magic box for this month. I think this might be my last one, unless this one super impresses me. Anyways, let's see what they sent us this month. Alright, so I'm gonna try to keep this one hidden from myself somewhat, or I'm gonna try to look away. What's this? We got a card. Mountains make red, islands make blue. Magic is sweet, and so are you. Okay. We got a magnet made out of words. Cannibal, Gravebane, lava. Okay. Magnet, whatever. Feels like a, deck box. Yay! It's kind of a cool one, too. Different picture on either side. Cool deck box. I feel a D20. Yeah. And it's my favorite color. Can't go around with a D20, a green D20. Boosters. Is that a t-shirt? It looks like the same shirt that's on the magnet. And it is. I was right. So it's the same shirt that's on the magnet. Okay. I really don't like white. Probably not gonna wear it. I don't know. I like the design. I don't like that color. I don't wear white shirts, like, ever. Whatever. So we got a shirt, a green D20, we have a matching magnet, a deck box, and a greeting card. And then we have our two boosters, so let's rip into those. See if we get anything good. I haven't got any of this set yet, so that's kind of nice, but love zombies. Holy crap! Holy crap! This is the first time I've ever got a mythic from them. Brutal Horde Chief. 3/3. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty cool. Can't go wrong with a mythic, even if it's a bad mythic. It's a mythic. I don't really use a lot of red. I don't know. Might get some use out of that. Okay, so cool. We got a mythic. Let's see what we get in our next one. I honestly do think that's the only time I've ever got a mythic from these boxes. Cloud form. There are a ton of instants, and that's all we were getting. We got a rare and a foil. You can barely tell that that's a foil. Like, barely. And a warrior token. That's weird. Is that how they're doing foils now? I guess I haven't gotten any foils in a long time, but yeah, you can't even tell that's shiny. Hardly. Weird. Okay. Well, we get a rare and a foil out of this one, and we got a mythic out of the other one. Both fire. Well, that one's fire white. I guess that one's... Never mind, I'm stupid. That one's obviously swamp. It just has... So you have to play it in a tricolor deck. I guess you can do black, white, or black, red. Whatever. Okay, so it's an okay box. Deck box, 2 boosters. We got a mythic, foil, shirt, magnet, greeting card. That's pretty funny. I don't really have any. I don't know who if I'll ever use that, but it's funny. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back when I get my next box. Thanks.